Siyadlala. Mokoena, look at the guys. They want to run. Mokoena is not left-footed. His first touch was bad. Wenzani, he comes back. Okay. Hugo Bros loyal. We continue to play. Aish. Aye, Bafethu. This game showed us we are bad. Tactically, we are bad. This guy is picking Usithole, but he decides to come into this position. Mutau, play him the ball. Nige. If we have Niga, then we can go out. Because, Bafethu. If we have Niga, look, play him the ball. Police uyiwani la. Uyamnika siyaphuma, but senzani we go back with a small pace asigcwalisa ibhola bafethu suka. Look what ends up happening. He could have played the ball here. It's too late now here because Sebam Maki. Long pass. It's their ball. One of the things we couldn't play. Another clip why we couldn't play. Pass abanye abantwana early. Now he has to make a run there. Why ungampass ibhola early so that he can play the ball here? Pass abanye abantwana early. Sugar. Now he's facing the wrong way. We are complaining. Aye. Now watch Usithole foot. Usithole is a good player, but not for this system. He passes the ball, but he wants to come here. No, you can't go there. If you come here, uvalela Williams space. Remember our